Every year, billions of tons of plastic waste enter our rivers and oceans. Over time, these plastics break down into microplastics, tiny particles less than 5 millimeters in size. These invisible pollutants have already been found in fish, drinking water, and even in the human body. Detecting them is no longer just an environmental issue, it's a health emergency. Today, detection methods like FTIR and Raman spectroscopy are accurate but slow, expensive, and confined to laboratories. What we need is a low-cost, portable, and real-time solution. Our idea is to build a field-deployable sensor system that can detect and count microplastics in water within minutes. Here's how it works. Here we can see a 3D model of the device that will be used for this. On opening the lid, we can see the inner workings of this device. First, the water sample is filtered to remove any large debris. Then, the cleaned sample enters from the top to a flow chamber using a microfluidic pump. The process starts with the UV laser of 405 nanometer. The UV laser is first passed through a neutral density filter to control its power output, then through a bandpass filter to remove any random excitation generated by the laser, after which it gets passed through a 40 mm focal length lens. Inside the cuvette, the water is passing through a very narrow channel to align all the particles in a straight line. Then the UV laser excites the microplastics in water, causing them to fluorescence. A UV spectral sensor, the AS7431 to be more precise, captures this fluorescence signal. Certain calculations are then performed on this data to obtain two scores, P1 and P2, which determines whether the object is a microplastic or not. According to this 2019 research paper, could photoluminescence spectroscopy be an alternative technique for the detection of microplastics? First experiments using a 405 nanometer laser for excitation. Finally, the system outputs the count per unit volume of water. This system is low cost and portable, fast, results in minutes, not in hours. Sensitive enough to detect plastics as small as 10 micrometers, powered by battery or solar, ideal for field deployment. By making microplastic detection accessible and real-time, this innovation can support policymakers, water managers, and communities in fighting plastic pollution. We are Team Hacksmiths, and this is our solution for the Smart India Hackathon, a step towards a cleaner, safer, and healthier future.